Let's see the question number 8. Which of the following components can form a zwitterion? First, aniline. Second, acetanilate. Third, glycerine. Fourth, benzonic acid. Amphoteric nature of glycerine is in aqueous solution. Glycerine exists as an inner salt or a dipolar ion. This doubly charged ion is known as zwitterion or an ampholyte. Due to the formation of zwitterion, glycerine acts as an both acid and base. In aqueous solution, zwitterion tends to lose a proton. Hence, if electrolyzed, the negative glycerine ion will migrate to anode. The pH value for the isoelectric point of glycerine is 6.0 pH value. So our correct answer is glycerine because it exists as an inner salt and doubly charged ion is known as zwitterion, and glycerine also acts as doubly charged, that is acid and base. Let's see what is the correct answer in the next slide. Yes, the answer is third, that is glycerine.